In December 2025, AI crossed a line that many experts only warned about in theory. What was once science fiction is now reality. Anthropic's Claude Opus 4.5 didn't just answer questions, it outperformed human engineers at coding entire applications from scratch. Imagine a machine writing software faster, smarter, and more accurately than experienced programmers. Meanwhile, Fujitsu's multi-AI agents planned entire supply chains in hours. Tasks that once required teams of humans weeks or months to complete were now executed automatically and flawlessly. These aren't chatbots. These are agentic systems, autonomous AIs that can think, plan, and act independently. They don't just respond, they initiate, strategize, and collaborate. Your job? It might be next. Welcome to Reality Decoded, how AI agents will remake America in 2026. Let's start with the basics. Chatbots like ChatGPT answer questions. AI agents, however, do things. They perform actions in the digital or real world without you needing to guide every step. Picture this: you say, plan my 2026 marketing campaign. A single AI agent takes that prompt, breaks it into steps, researches trends, writes copy, schedules posts, and tracks results automatically. Now, imagine multiple agents working together. One researches competitors, another designs ads, and a third negotiates with platforms. They debate, vote, and execute autonomously. Google's DeepMind has shown that these agents can self-improve by 30% in just a few days, learning from their own actions without human intervention. Why is this possible now? Massive computing power from Trump's Stargate project, $500 billion invested in US supercomputers, has unlocked reasoning chains that mimic human cognition. These systems can analyze, plan, and execute tasks in ways that were unimaginable just a few years ago. They are not tools, they are collaborators. In December, Claude Opus 4.5 achieved a score of 92% on SWE Bench, a benchmark for real software engineering tasks. This isn't a controlled lab test, it's practical, functional coding. The AI can fix bugs, implement new features, and even optimize code autonomously. Engineers on Reddit reacted with astonishment, saying, "It's reading my mind." Fujitsu's Forma system simulated entire factory operations end-to-end, cutting costs by 40%. US firms like GM are now piloting these systems. OpenAI's O1 Swarm is another groundbreaking system. Here, agents collaborate like a startup team. One codes, one tests, and one deploys, completing complex projects in mere hours. DeepMind's self-evolving agents can learn new skills without retraining. This allows them to adapt to changing environments, making them extremely versatile. Even edge devices like smartphones can run multi-agent systems. Your phone could become a mini-agent factory, capable of executing complex tasks on the go. McKinsey predicts that by 2027, 30% of US white-collar work hours will be automated. Software development is already seeing agents write up to 70% of code. Marketing teams are using agents to brainstorm, run A/B tests, and optimize campaigns. Finance professionals are seeing agents model data and trade in real time, outperforming traditional approaches. Logistics companies are using multi-agent systems to optimize fleets, route deliveries, and reduce human error, achieving efficiency levels previously thought impossible. New roles are emerging alongside these advancements: agent orchestrators, prompt architects, and ethics auditors, responsible for guiding and monitoring AI teams. Trump's AI push has also created millions of jobs in US data centers alone, as these high-performance systems require maintenance, oversight, and integration. But there are risks. Some agent-tested pilots saw sales drop by 25%, showing that not all AI deployment is guaranteed success. Adaptation is critical. You don't need a PhD to get started. Demo 1, hire an agent team. A prompt like "build my YouTube thumbnail generator" can produce finished content in just 12 minutes. Demo 2, trading agent using LangChain and Alpaca API. It analyzes stock trends, executes trades, and even outperforms the S&P 500 in backtests. Demo 3, personal agent via OpenAI Assistance API. It can plan my week, book flights, and email my boss, effectively acting as a personal executive assistant for $20 per month. Content creators in the US are already using these tools for faceless YouTube channels. Agents script, edit, and create thumbnails automatically, scaling channels faster than ever. The Reality Decoded channel itself has seen 10x growth using these systems. AI isn't just replacing work, it's enabling entirely new workflows. However, Risks remain. AI hallucinations can lead agents to make mistakes, costing millions in financial and operational errors. Security is another concern. Hack a single agent, and you could potentially control the entire swarm, creating massive vulnerabilities. Regulations are lagging. With deregulation and the push for AI supremacy, adoption is accelerating faster than oversight. Stanford's AI Index warns of an impending agent arms race, as companies compete to deploy increasingly capable autonomous systems. By 2026, it's predicted that 50% of Fortune 500 companies will use multi-agent AI systems in daily operations. But this doesn't mean AI is here to replace humans. It's here to give you an unfair advantage, amplifying human capabilities in work, creativity, and strategy. You can start today. Tools like Hugging Face, Crew AI, and Claude.dev are freely accessible, letting anyone experiment with agentic systems. Think about your life and career. What role could AI transform first? How will you use these tools to stay ahead of the competition? AI agents are here, and they're not waiting. Reality Decoded, helping you outsmart the future, one agent at a time. Subscribe and follow for weekly AI breakdowns, stay ahead of trends, and join the next era of autonomous intelligence.